To all our partners here, we can give a big applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I am sure that after such a long time coming together has been special, and it has been special for Exchange for Media Group as well. So I'd like to invite Dr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief, Exchange for Media Group, to kindly come forward and welcome this August gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Batra. Welcome, sir.
Good evening. Give a big round of applause to Khyati Kawa. It's her first physical event in a long time, so you got to encourage her. It feels like, we've come to the opening of a new blockbuster movie. Hopefully that'll be the Indian economy and nothing else, because that helps us. First of all, grateful to all of you for turning out here to meet your friends, your colleagues, your industry collaborative partners. We were excited when Karan called me last week and said, we want to do this physically. I said, will everyone show up? That's the only question I asked him. And he said, they are more than happy to come and meet each other. So first of all, thank you to your brave spirit. I know we need to be cautious and wear the masks, and I try and wear it at most places. But while making a speech, I don't want to. So congratulations to you. The PR and communication domain has been very active in the last 11 months. Possibly more active than it was before Corona. I can tell you in my role at Business World and my limited role in Exchange for Media that, the PR and communication industry has kept the brand and businesses alive. It has kept the communication going. And really, if there's one industry that has in some way looked at the positives and created the positives and has been active in contributing to dissemination of information and building of businesses, that has been the communication industry. So please give the communication industry a big round of applause. It is a relatively smaller industry. It is less than, from all estimates, I was trying to ask my editorial colleagues, Tasmai, Neeta, Nafisa, that what is the size of the PR industry, and it is whatever number you take, the direct size is less than 3,000 crores. Whatever number, you add up everything. But the impact it has is much more than that. As Khyati mentioned, this year's number of entries was record, more than 600 entries. More than 600 entries. That means that's almost 120 entries more than last year. So in a Corona year, I can tell you from all other events, the entries have come down or stayed static. This is one domain where the entries have gone up. So it does, when I say this industry was active, it showcases that this industry was active. We are doing this event today. We're only doing the awards. We have the virtual conference tomorrow. So it brings me to the next point, which is that most of the things that will happen in the future will be in a hybrid format. So events will be both physical and hybrid. We had the compulsion of doing it in a only virtual way earlier, but now we have the choice. But my hunch is almost everything will be hybrid. That's the word we use in education, entertainment, and work from anywhere will continue to be the norm. This year's winner again have been selected. You saw the jury AV, you will see it at some point again have been selected through a jury process of peers. So I don't want to stand between you and the award winners. As I said, we started this 12 years back. I think in the first year we had 80 entries. So we come a long way. This is the 12th year of the awards. Tomorrow again we have a host of speakers in the virtual conference. You get much more audiences. And tonight all the awards will be given. All the Exchange for Media initiatives except one or two will be brought offline. We have our Exchange for Media Influencer of the Year on 5th March in Bangalore. We're launching our Media and Technology Forum during the day. We believe media is growing on the back of technology. Technology has changed media in the last 10 years. And there are new exciting players, exciting technologies, exciting ideas that need to be showcased to the stakeholders. So I'm sure if you talk to my colleagues at Exchange for Media, the Impact Person of the Year, our News Broadcast Awards are on the 27th March. The jury meet is on the 20th March. So almost all, I can say 90% of our initiatives will be physical plus digital. So I wish you luck. I hope this industry grows. I know that the industry has added digital in a big way. Already, online reputation management was a big part of what the communication agencies and PR professionals did, but it has become an even bigger part. Today we have almost every large, mid-sized, young agency represented in this room through the owners, promoters, founders, as well as professionals and CEOs. So I want to salute your spirit and your colleagues' spirit. I know we had limited numbers because we want to keep to the spirit of, being cautious. Otherwise, once things get even better in March, hopefully all our events will be back in full bloom in the sense of 400, 500 people. I just want to say that communication is becoming 360 degree in the true way. We've been talking about it for 10 years. I look forward to celebrating that tonight on stage. Thank you. God bless you. Give yourself a bigger cheer than you've given it till now. Bigger cheer. I'll keep making a speech if you don't. Okay. Thank you. Back to you, Kathy.
Thank you so much, Dr. Batra. And I'm hoping that through the evening, the cheer keeps increasing, because from the virtual applause, it is great to hear and feel that applause as well. And from the comments and chat boxes that we've seen, the congratulatory messages coming in, to actually hearing the hoots and cheers when you win is going to be exhilarating. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move forward, we will now take you through a short audio-visual journey of the India PR and Corporate Communication Awards 2020. But before we do that, can I request all of you that, Dr. Batra also spoke about digital era is here. So we'd like you to spread the word across to the wider audience by tweeting about the event, about the winners, about you being here, and what a fun time it is this evening to be in presence of others here by using the hashtag IPRCCA. Thank you so much, and we will now showcase the audiovisual.
India PR and Corporate Communications Awards, the most extensive and exhaustive awards to recognize the contribution and success of the communication fraternity. With 7 categories and 72 subcategories, E4M IPRCCA 2020 is the path-breaking initiative to salute and recognize the contribution within PR and corporate communication domain. Despite the impact of an ongoing pandemic and now observed gradual recovery to normalcy, or the new normal as we know it, we are happy to share that this year too, we have received enormous responses from PR agencies along with the brands, given their fierce efforts to grapple with the same. With over 72 categories, we have received 650 plus entries. The entries have undergone 2 phases of judgment. First, a pre-jury round in which every jury member went through a certain set of categories and shortlisted the top 10 entries based on the selection criteria. The grand jury then went through all shortlisted entries and chose the winner for the gold, silver and bronze medals in 72 categories, and also named winners of the Excellence Awards. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the jury of the 11th edition of the Exchange for Media IPRCCA. The jury was led by Mr. R.S. Sodhi, Managing Director, Amul. And it consisted of some of the biggest names in the community: Dr. Anurag Batra, Business World and Exchange for Media Group; Vasundhara Modgil, Spotify; Varsha Chainani, Mahindra Group; Pooja Garg Khan, Panasonic India; Purnima Sahani Mohanty, Microsoft; Vani Gupta Dandia, Cherry Peach Plum Growth Partners; Aparna Kumar Ahuja, Shell India; Vandana Shenoy, Oracle India; Atul Raja, Wadhwani Foundation; Prasanna Kotian, Visa; Subir Moitra, Think Through Consulting; Divya Bahari Chuk, Adobe; Anand Narsimhan, Network 18; Pankaj Pachori, Go News; Rashmi Vashisht, Apple India; Dr. Rajiv Chibbar, Sehjanand Medical Technologies Private Limited; Rakhi Lalwani, IHCL; Ritvik Sharma, Vivo; Ayushman Chiranwala, Fast Track; Bipasha Chakrabarti, Facebook; Anurag Chauhan, HFH; Rananjay Anand, Indus Aurora Holidays; Bhaskar Majumdar, Aegis India; Exchange for Media, the India PR and Corporate Communication Awards and the Jury Board congratulates all the winners.
It was really a very unique, interesting, and a very good learning session to participate in the jury session of 11th edition of Exchange for Media, PR and Corporate Communication Award. I never expected there were more than 650 entries in the different categories, and all are of very good quality. In fact, for all the jury members, it was extremely difficult how to select first, second, or third. No doubt we have selected what we thought best, but I think the quality of creativity in the PR is increasing through various media. And I had, whatever you said, this is the first time I had exposure to this PR creativity. I learned a lot. And I'd like to give message to all the winners and the participants that day by day your responsibility is increasing. You have to come out with a creative solution where you can attract and educate the millennials who are not on the traditional media and they don't want to see advertisement, but they want to see only a very educated material which will make them to make decisions. Thank you.
I think it's been fantastic, a little overwhelming because of the number of entries, record entries this time, apparently more than 650 entries in the 11th edition of, IPRCC's awards. Very, very impressive lineup, some fabulous organizations, some fabulous industry bodies. I'm really, really impressed and moved by the thoughtful and meaningful campaigns that have come through during the COVID time. And the number of organizations from India Inc. and of course public-private partnerships who have created, like I said, meaningful, thoughtful, purpose-led campaigns that are really sort of igniting social change and inspiring other organizations also to follow and make social change. So on the whole, a very, very interesting process.
Hi, I'm Vani, founder Cherry Peach Plum Growth Partners, and I had the privilege of being on the IPRCCA jury for 2020. I must say the quality of nominations that we got was of course par excellence. As a jury, we debated for many hours and it took us much longer than we expected. It was a very, very educative experience for me myself. It gave me a window into the width of work that exists in the industry. So I'm extremely fortunate and extremely grateful to the Business World Group for having me as part of the jury. I think platforms like these are tremendously rewarding for the industry as a whole. It's not just the individual participants who are to gain over here, because it elevates thinking at an overall level. It elevates what we are able to bring to the consumer. It elevates the quality of execution. And we are debating amongst ourselves as to what is it that really creates an impact. So thank you so much. As I said, it's been a wonderful experience and hugely rewarding, hugely educative for me too. Thank you again.
Well, when we started the process, I was wondering how are we ever going to get through such a large volume of entries and discuss them and debate them virtually. But I must say the digital judging process was absolutely seamless, and we were able to go through every entry, do our due diligence, even though we were not together at one physical event. And all the categories were very powerful. There were some world-class entries. What struck me the most was the agility with which our industry reprioritized and recalibrated itself in the middle of the pandemic and used really smart strategies, creative ideas, and execution to cut through widespread COVID news and deliver their messages, change perceptions, and drive real results. This is why it's really important for us to celebrate these wins. And it's thanks to Exchange for Media, Mr. Anurag Batra, Karan Bhatia, and the dedicated team for making it happen in a very challenging year. It's recognition like this that sets the benchmarks for the industry and inspires the right work and great work for the future. For the winners, my message is you guys really redefined and raised the standards of excellence. Heartiest congratulations. You guys absolutely deserve it.
This is the first time that E4M awards for public relations advocacy were held not in person but virtually, and it was a very good experience. And though we couldn't meet so many people, which we usually meet, the virtual jury meetings were conducted very well by the organizers, E4M, and the entire team. I must congratulate that there was not a hitch. We went through all the entries, and it was a very tough task. It took one whole day to go through all the entries and assess them for their on different criteria in different categories. It was a very rigorous process, and I'm glad that and honored that I was part of it. And I thank the organizers, and I thank all the people who participated in this year's awards.
It's been a real pleasure to be part of the 11th IPR-CCA award jury. And what a stupendous number of entries we've received. I think the whole jury process was really tough, simply because there were so many choices to make amongst the most incredible work that our industry has put in the last year. And I think I've maintained with a year like 2020, with COVID impacting everybody across sectors, I think the celebration that we can come together and display for the incredible work done this year, I think for me that really stands out. And amongst the various entries that we went through today, for me, what really stood out was, I think, some of the CSR entries for the kind of work with the industries have done, not for the sake of spending the CSR dollars, but more for the sake of making impact. We saw some really strong impact on the ground, and those were clear winners. Those were absolute clear winners for us. And if I was to leave a piece of message for all the winners, I think just applaud yourself, be very proud of the work that you put in. It's a lot of hard work that each one of us puts in day in and day out. Even though you might not have a medal to recognize that particular work, I think be proud of what you've done for every day it counts. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you so much for having me as part of the jury for the awards. It was a great experience. In fact, one can only imagine getting so many people together virtually would not have been an easy task. But I must say it was done really well. And the whole experience of coming together, looking at some of the spectacular stellar work was really, really good. And I thoroughly enjoyed myself in the process.
So this year, the entire Indian PR and Corporate Communications 11th edition was a great process throughout the day. I mean, I think even if I don't even count today's day, the entire long month of activities which have been given to us as juries, which has been, very, very intriguing to know the kind of nominations which have come through, the kind of categories which have come through. And what's unique is that it looks at the role of a CorpCom professional from not only one angle, but multifarious hats. So that's very unique. I mean, right from the general PR work to policy management, stakeholder influencing, and finally the most important, crisis communication. So I think it's a very unique platform, and I enjoyed a lot today.
Hello E4M. Thank you for providing an opportunity to be a jury member in the 11th edition of IPR CCA. My experience throughout the entire virtual jury process was quite interesting in a way that I thoroughly enjoyed while interacting, discussing, and debating with the great minds of the industry while judging the best of the bests. It was very special in a way that it received more than 650 plus nominations, and those nominations were quite high on quality scale. It was so much so that it was quite tough for jury members to judge the platinums, the diamonds, the golds of the industry. However, to my mind, TVS stood out of the box, and it became my personal favorite while judging. Such platforms are very important for the industry for the fact that it provides a healthy competition among the industry players to bring out the best of them. Congratulations to the winners, and my message to them is that today you are holding the laurel, tomorrow it can be somebody else. So only change is the constant. Keep evolving. Thank you.
It's great. It's an honor for me to be a part of the jury for the 11th edition of Exchange for Media's IPR CCA Awards. I believe this is one of the most renowned awards in the industry. Over the last year, communications has become an even more important discipline and become center stage for organizations across the board. What we have done today, my fellow jury members and I have gone through many different shortlisted entries across different sectors, across different categories of communications and PR and employee communications as well. So, it's been a great day. We've gone through discussions and, talking about some really good work done in the areas of issues and crisis management, public affairs, some integrated campaigns as well. And I think what's really stood out for me has been that the communications have been very purposeful, very engaging, and really looking at larger causes as well as meaningful content and running across many different channels to maximize the reach. So it's been a great day today. Thank you, and all the best to everyone who's submitted their entries, and looking forward to the awards.
Hi, my best wishes to all the shortlisted entries as well as all the winners of the IPR CCA Awards 2020. As a member of the jury, I must confess it's been quite a tough ask sifting through some really fantastic applications. And I've really felt privileged going through some of these fantastic campaigns. And what you ended up with, as you will see, is going to be some of the best campaigns that are truly worth the award. Thank you once again all for participating, and my best wishes and congratulations to the winners. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like all of you to give a big round of applause for our jury members. I'm sure you understand 650 plus entries. Taking a call on that and analyzing them, debating on them must be such a tough task to do. So give them a big round of applause, please. One more time for our jury members. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And moving forward to our next category.
The last category under Special Awards is Marketing Communications Professional of the Year. And the winner is Sanjay Chakrabarti, SKC Consultancy.
Congratulate him and